Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to solve this wonderful integration question, that is integration of 1 divided by x raised to the power 3 dx. Now before we discuss the solution, let me tell you the formula that we'll be using for solving these kind of problems. So the standard formula for integration is x raised to the power n dx, which equates to x raised to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 d of x. So this is the formula that is normally used to solve any question which involves, let us say, x raised to the power any number. So for example, x raised to the power 3 or x raised to the power minus 5 or x raised to the power minus 1000, 10,001 dx. So in all these questions, the first thing that we notice is that the value of the power x is different for every question. So all that we have to do is just substitute the value of x raised to the power n and we'll get the answer. But before that, we need to convert this question in this kind of a format. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a property of exponents that says that 1 raised to the power a raised to the power m can be written as a raised to the power minus m. That is, when you reverse the power gets kind of a negative sign in front of it. So now this question here can be written as integration of x raised to the power minus 3 dx. So now if you notice, this question and this question now are matched as per the pattern. So here the value is n and here the value is minus 3. So all I have to do is substitute this value of n is equal to minus 3 on both the sides of the equation. So this side will have x raised to the power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1 d of x. So sorry, not d of x, this would be plus c. So now when you solve this equation here, you get the value as x raised to the power minus 3 plus 1 is minus of 2, and then even the denominator here would be minus of 2, and then we have a plus c over here. So shifting the negative sign upward, we get this as minus 1 by 2 x raised to the power minus 2 plus c. And then if we reverse the power here, so what we get is minus 1 divided by 2 x raised to the power 2 plus c. So that means the integration of x raised to the power minus 3 dx is this one over here. So this is the answer to this particular problem over here. So the same concept can be applied even if the power of x is different. So for example, let us say if this question was something like this. Let us say x divided 1 upon x raised to the power 5 dx. So the first thing that we need to do is convert this power in a fraction proper kind of a format. So this would be x raised to the power minus 5 dx, which can be written as x raised to the power minus 5 plus 1 divided by minus 5 plus 1 d of x. Sorry, this would be plus c. And then when you solve this, this would be x raised to the power minus 4 divided by minus 4 plus c. So technically this is minus 1 divided by 4 x raised to the power 4 plus c. So this right here, what we have is the final answer for this particular problem. Now the best part is that this particular formula can be applied to any situation where these kind of problems are given in this kind of a format. So remember, all we have to do is just focus on converting this in a standard format, and then we'll have our answer. So thank you so much for watching. We will meet soon. Goodbye.